And our question for today comes from Robert6890, and he asks, what protein-packed food is highest in protein but lowest in calories? All right, so the first thing I would say, and this might sound kind of like a generic answer, but I got to tell you it's true. Whey protein shakes. Whey protein shakes, very low in calories, and if you can get something where it's just the whey protein, this is going to be a great option, and you get a lot of protein. Then if you're willing to put in a little more time and you want something that's solid food, I'd suggest doing turkey bites. She made them in one of our last videos. I'll include that in the description below. And the other thing would be eggs. And with eggs, you can fry them, you can boil them, and just have a huge bowl of boiled eggs all ready for you. And then as far as someone who wants to be a vegetarian or vegan, we're going to make a video about that real soon as well. So please make sure you're subscribed, have notifications on, and we'll go into that in a future video. The chances of you seeing this video are slim to nothing. If you're wanting to improve your health and improve your life and learn more about general fitness, please consider subscribing below, and I'll look forward to seeing you in future videos.